Are you tired of losing track of which features are actually live? You ship a new version, but nobody knows what's in it. Or worse, you can't remember what went out last month. It leads to confusion with your team, awkward questions from stakeholders, and just a general feeling of chaos. Let's fix that right now. In under 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how to create a release in Jira so you can stamp every single version with a clear name, a date, and a responsible owner. No more guessing games.
We'll open your project, navigate to the Releases section, fill in the necessary details, and save. It's really that straightforward. Let's start. First things first, go ahead and open up your Jira account. Just log in wherever you normally do. I'm already here in my dashboard, so let's move on. Now, from the left-hand side panel, you're going to open your specific Jira project. Just click on the project name. This is where all your work lives, and it's where we need to be to manage the releases for that specific team or product. All right, once you're inside your project, look at the top navigation bar. You'll see a few different tabs. Go ahead and click on the one that says Releases. This is the central hub where you can view all your past versions and create new ones. It's the command center for your deployment schedule. So now that you're on the Releases page, look up in the top right corner. You should see a blue button that says Create Release. Give that a click. This opens up a new form on the right side of your screen, where we'll fill in all the details. And here's where it gets good. Now we get to actually define the release. First up, you need to type in a release name. Be specific here. Don't just call it version 1. Use something that your whole team will instantly recognize, like Sprint 24 or V2.5. This is how you'll find it later when you're looking through your history, so make it count. Next, we're going to choose a start date. This is the day the work on this release actually begins. Click the date selector and pick the calendar date. This helps your team know when they should start planning or developing for this specific version. Then we have the release date. This is the big one. This is the day the software is scheduled to go out the door. Pick your target date here. This is what everyone on the team is working toward. Having this locked in makes your planning so much more concrete. Now, this next field is really important for keeping things organized. You need to choose a driver. This is the person responsible for this release. Click the dropdown and select the team member who will own the process. It might be you, it might be a tech lead, or maybe a project manager. But assigning an owner means there is never any question about who is accountable. In my experience, this single step prevents so much back and forth. After that, you have the option to add a description. This one is totally optional, but I highly recommend using it. You can jot down a quick note about what major features are included, or any known risks, just a sentence or two. It's a tiny bit of effort now that saves you a ton of digging later. And finally, once you've filled in everything you need, just click the Save button at the bottom of the form. And just like that, your release is officially created. You'll see it appear in your list, fully organized with a date and an owner. So, there you have it. From total chaos around your deployments to a clean, date-stamped record that your entire team can trust. Go ahead and give it a shot. Thanks for watching.